Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up this Brickhead custom brick figures. So basically there is this little picture here of me, the same shirt, and that is me. It's a mini me. So there is a little QR code right here. And in order to get the tutorial of how to put it together, you have to go with the camera and scan that QR code. Now we got the bag. Let's rip it open. Oh no. Let's just get the last one. Plop. Wow, this is something. Okay, this is funny. So, we have to do 2 layers of these little things. That is very funny. But I'm just gonna listen to whatever they say because this actually looks very cute. And I will put this in my bedroom. And it'll never leave my bedroom no matter what. Even if somebody triple dog dares me, I will not take that out of my bedroom. Because it is adorable. Okay, let's see.
All right, so what do you think that is so far?
The hat.
You think the black is the hat?
Mm-hmm.
Then why is your face gray? Oh. Is that your smile?
Yeah.
Your perfect smile, let's see. Perfect.
3. I need 4. 4. Show me where you are. I know exactly where to put these. Record in 3, 2, 1. This is definitely the hat. Collect the corners of the hat.
And now the flat one goes up on top.
2 rights don't make a rhyme, but 3 left do.
Now the flat one goes up on top. Oh, are you missing another one of your...
No, but I'm not. This one?
Yep.
Why does it have fingerprints on it? I gotta be a scientist. It's so the hat. That is the hat. Except it looks a little weird, but it's fine. Bye. Goodbye. Good. Can I have my character cross-eyed?
Now this black one goes facing you.
Oh, wrong spot. That's funny. Why would the eyebrows be below the eyes? That's just funny. Does it look good?
It looks beautiful.
I'll be bad if it turned out. I'm on level 100. Not that many pieces left. Daba.
Okay.
So we're almost done. We're page/step 116. And all we gotta get to is 185. Time flies. Okay.
It's that white piece there.
Oh no, it's not that the right piece. That's not the right piece, Mommy.
It's not that piece.
Yeah, it is.
It's not this one?
It's not. They're literally the same size.
Oh, you're right.
Shoesy, 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 shoesy. These are my shoes. These are my shoes. Shoesies, shoesy, shoesy, shoesies.
Let me see what you got so far. You're so close, but there's still so many pieces left.
That is not true.
What?
I need help.
What do you need help with?
It's being weird.
Okay.
Which I love.
Here, what are you putting on now?
Hans.
Your Hans.
Except I look like a Roblox player. Oh no, Rush is coming. Get in the closet. Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? Yes. Okay.
You're not weird, Charlotte. You're beautiful and smart.
Sometimes, I said. Not all the time. Is that like same? Hold up. What? Almost done. And are we ready for the grand finale?
Smile.
We'll go for more unboxing, challenges, and other fun stuff.